Hey friend, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this hairstyle. So first of all, I'm going to be sectioning the hair into 2 equal parts. So after sectioning it, I'm going to be holding this one down as I'm not going to be working with it at the moment. So at this particular side here, I'm going to be parting out a little bit from the front, just like you see me do here. I'm going to be parting out a little bit, and I'll be holding the rest down for now. So here I'll comb it out, and I'll be parting a little bit, a guide for me to start the braid. So I'll just part it a little bit like that, and I'll start braiding it, and I'll braid it down. After braiding in, this is what I have. You can see this is so beautiful, and here I'll be adding the beads to it. I'll be putting on the beads, and I'll be securing it with a tiny bead at the end, and of course with my rubber band. How beautiful is this? Do you like it? We're going to be making that again so that it will become 2. So I'm just going to part another one just close to the first one. Now this particular one is going to end at the beginning of her ear, and I'm going to hold this one down. I will detangle it with my comb just like I did to the first one, and I will braid it just like I did to the first one, but here I'll be giving you a close-up look so that just in case you didn't get it very well on the first one, here is a close-up look for you to see how I braid the hair. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and also turn on notification bell. At this particular point, please leave me a comment below. Drop a comment for me below. Please, nice comment. Drop a comment for me, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. So here I have 2 of this, and I'm going to be adding another bead to the second one. You can see my baby girl, she's very happy with her hair. She likes the hair. So I'm going to be putting on the beads on the second one just like I did to the first one. So how beautiful is this? I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other side. So this is it guys, I've done exactly the same thing on the other side. So a lot left for me to do now is to comb out the ponytails before we started adding the donuts to make the donut bun. So here I'm just going to detangle her hair, of course after applying water and moisturizer, which is shea butter. That is what I use, and I'll be brushing it out so that everything will become kind of clean. So after brushing it out, I'm going to be holding it down using my rubber band, and I'll be holding it out 3 times. So I'll be doing exactly that same thing on the other side. I'll detangle it, brush it out, and of course hold it down with my rubber band. You can see the hairstyle is very beautiful. You can even leave the hairstyle like this. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer it like this or the final look? Drop the comment. I want to see your own opinion. So here I'm making use of my socks. Of course you can use socks to make a donut bun if you don't have the donut bun. So here I have added the socks, and I'll be opening the center of the hair just like you see me do here, and I'll use brush to brush it out so that it will be neat. So here I'm holding it down, and I'm holding my rubber band on the other hand, and I'm going to use the rubber band to secure it. So after securing it like this, I'm going to tuck in the excess hair that I have there. I'm going to tuck it in just like you see me do. So you can see the donut is very, very beautiful. I'm going to repeat that thing on the other side, but before I do that, I'm going to be adding this cute love accessory on this side, and after doing the other side, I added the other love accessory on that side. How beautiful is this hairstyle, guys? Will you be trying this hairstyle on your cute little one? Are you going to be trying it out on your baby girl? What do you think about this hairstyle? I would like to know. And of course, at this point here, you can like this video, drop us a very nice comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you on our next video.